All right, welcome back, guys, to the More Academy. It is Liz, your science and math gal, speaking to you right now. So, today we are going to do a little biology and a little exponential decay. So, we're going to specifically be talking about metabolism within the body. And so, little definition for you: metabolism is the sum of processes in the buildup and destruction of chemicals in the body. And specifically, we're going to talk about the drug metabolism, so how the body breaks down the drugs that you intake. And so, first, I'm going to begin with a little background on the drug. So, the first drug I chose to research was ibuprofen, which is an over the counter drug and is also known as Advil. So, those are the types of, so you can buy it anywhere and you don't need a prescription or anything like that to purchase it. And so, typically, it's taken for headache, fever, arthritis, and it is non-inflammatory drugs. So, yeah. And those are typically what the tablets look like because you can take them orally. Sometimes there's liquid gels, which is still an oral tablet. It just has liquid in it. And it is an example of exponential decay as the body slowly breaks down the drug using the metabolism. And so the body breaks down the drug through the liver and the kidneys, and then it breaks it down to a very small amount over a period of time, and then the rest is left through the body through excrement. So since it's an over-the-counter drug, it only typically lasts a few hours. It's not as long as, per se, a prescription drug. So here I have put the starting dosage, which I used 400 milligrams, so that's basically like the extra strength Tylenol. I put that into a table using our equation we found, and I plugged in each hour, and I got those values, and I plugged it into a new table. So I went from 0 hours, meaning like when you first took it, so it started at 400, and then all the way up to 6 hours, since it's not very long, so you can see as it slowly decreases. And then I used those numbers and I plugged them in to Excel to create a graph, and as you can see, it's slowly decreasing over time, and it's an exponential one. And then this is our final equation. And so to break up each part of the equation, there is the 400, which is our initial amount of the ibuprofen we're starting with, and typically that's the either maximum amount you can take. So some tablets are only 200, but they only recommend that you stick with 400, and then this is like the extra thing, so 400. And then the negative 0.3466 in the exponent is the rate at which the body breaks down the drug, and it's negative because it breaks it down, it doesn't increase. And then T is the time in which it takes the body to break down the drug. So if you wanted to determine the amount at, say, 3 hours, you plugged in 3 to the T, and then you just plug that all into a calculator, and then you would get the final amount. And then this is the final amount of ibuprofen left in the body in respect to time, and the body will never fully break down the drug. It will get to a very small amount and then the rest will just get pushed out through excrement. So for the future, it takes about 5 to 6 half-lives for the body to fully decay the drug, and so ibuprofen's half-life is 2 hours, and so it will take between 10 to 12 hours for the body to fully decay the drug, and then a small portion of it will get left through excrement. Great, thank you guys for listening in and learning all about the drug metabolism and how the body breaks down the